Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very easy everyday kind of look. It is using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette, and this is a look that I would consider a one eyeshadow look. You can create this makeup look using one eyeshadow. This is look number 13 using this Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. Can you believe it? Yes. Found this at Walmart for $15. Today I'm using the Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer to prime my eyes and the Hourglass Powder to catch fallout. And we're in this Wet n Wild Wild Heart palette. In the second row, the 6th eyeshadow, it's just this really nice mauve kind of pink shade. Built up, it definitely becomes a more pigmented, brighter pink. But a wash of this in your crease, it's just like a nice light mauve. You may hear some hard rain, but just try to ignore that. So with this fluffy brush that kind of is tapered and such, I don't know how to describe this brush other than it's kind of fluffy, it's kind of for your crease, and it is kind of tapered at the end, and it's kind of somewhat flat at the same time. I'm going to pat this shade or layer it and pat it on my lid. I'm going to pat it into my crease area against the orbital bone. If you don't know where your orbital bone is, it's the bone you can feel in your crease area, in your eye area, and use that as a guide. So now I'm going to take my brush on its side and buff and blend out the pink shade I applied on my lid. Super easy. We're literally almost done with the initial part of this look. And brow bone highlight, I'm using first shade, second shade, and it's a creamy vanilla shade. So any shade, your face powder could work for this, for the brow bone highlight. So I'm going to take and press that under the brow and start blending it down into the crease to highlight my brow area. I'm going to go back in with the brush that had the pink shade on it, no additional shade, and blend that shade with the brow bone shade. I love this part. Look how seamless that is. I'm wiping away my fallout, and once I have that, I'm dragging the pink shade along my lower lash line. And lots of you would be like, oh no pink on the lower lash line, I'm gonna look sick or whatnot. I think this looks perfectly fine, but I understand that as well, so you can do that or no. In the palette, I'm taking that shimmery icy pink shade. I'm going to foil this. I'm using this on a pencil brush, and that was the e.l.f. active setting spray or setting mist, and apply that in the inner corner. So I'm going to take my Wet n Wild brow highlighter pencil to lighten up and brighten up my lower lash line. And that was Believe Beauty's long lasting eyeliner in Caviar. And from AOA Studio, I'm using their lash adhesive, and I'm using their 3D Faux Mink lashes in Amanda. These are absolutely gorgeous. They remind me of the Ione spiky wispy lashes. Gorgeous. And I'm just going to apply them really quickly. For lips is my current favorite go-to lip. It's the Cherry Cherie Nude Liquid Lipstick and the Maybelline Colorsensation Lipliner. Don't know the name of it, but it's just a nude pink, probably the lightest one they had, or one of the lightest pink ones they had. So after that's done, that's the finished look. How easy was this? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Anyone can do this look. It's an everyday kind of look. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll try the look out for yourselves. You can do this with a lot of different shades of eyeshadow. This would look so pretty with just brown, a more lighter pink even. But for me, I always use like a mauve pink if I'm doing a look like this, because I just like it and I think it looks good on my green eyes. You do whatever you would like. But I do hope that you will try this look out. Maybe check this eyeshadow palette out because it's amazing. Stay tuned for more makeup looks using the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box and the cards for additional links as well as a product list. Thank you guys so very much for watching.